Bia Kamal ka Noor online TV channel kejan gwas me bana rwach kala mishala re wich ka so Sudan no te ke jwe mishiben jwe mishala pok ke de kon gij bashire ke gonya wa jwe mo jwe mi jaga long ban je kulin kel ka ta danan ke bana ke jega ja ka ngu milat ke jeka jen tame ne de kontere wich ka so Sudan ti la ji pola pwanyen wo jwe mi jaga ban jelin kel chala do jen charam kel che kap ani gorno jen bi nam bi jen yak nasin ko ken chuje peru bo an wojin bi subscribe ka Noor online TV channel ko bler de bi kan chamala shukaji gwas dana pai ka larech shirka me shali ngo joyen shali pox she chobre wech ka so Sudan jen joye me menen jana mo chere ka top chere ka gonya ajana mo ne kalera inshallah da netin te rei kine de kon let la jipo la poanyre wika so Sudan ci kala do ci joy inshallah ke pox mishet ke gonya gonya ka tungnat ke top ci George redwel wal ka juba chawraj mo chaja kwen inshallah dan wona na inshallah ne de kontin la jipo la poany kelzi minister tindere wich ka juba elzi minister James Osmai share mace jalar no ka shanga bakal ka Friday en raman je ka joye mokaja lat kana no jen ran Uganda ki rambre wech ka Uganda du no jen ko le shingre wech ka Juba lare wech ka South Sudan ran Uganda ka jen te ka run jen dang jok wide kel ano shinga ke area mshal ka Kopuri shabon fola puan cha jere ala kan wini mi moy ka jawal ka Gudale hospital jen gwa danen men kwaram mo kwaje moy ka walten shana men jegan jeka kiman chala de wo joy me jeka ka kwida wa joy me be long ko raja dana chala de well health organization men tre wika so Sudan Dr. Ampray Karamaji ci jela do nena mi chaji kab joy mo la jamo je ka dual ano be mo ka dual ka kore en gwa ba chu point du ka jana wa joy be long jaga ji ko ba bi point bi jon alo bi be bi jek kambo ji bok les point ka be ji mo bok ka la wech chit ka o da ji mo ka ba wech ka jaga rel ko ba ko ba mo ka kwem ka jan ba ba jog du ba be ji mo ka be jog du be bech ka ba pol point ba be jaga o ba me be chawra ji mo che kwen re wi ka juba ka jen kwi jwata chal ka me pox mpox mpox ko jen awa joyi chemne ni magwaz ndiwe joyi me dera joyin chire ke gonya ke tobe ka dobrande kon gwikeja baje kwen ya ka dobrana chala ka jagwas me South Sudan Minister of Health has declared pox outbreak after confirming country's first case of the virus in Juba. Acting Health Minister James Olsamai declared in a press conference on Friday. Minister might say the case is of a 31 years old Ugandan man residing at Juba Kopori suburb and is being managed by a team of health experts at Gudel Hospital. Well Health Organization or WHO representative for South Sudan, Dr. Umpre Karamaji said the patient starting becoming ill on Thursday afternoon and commended the health minister for its swift response. Dr. Karamaji reiterated that pox is a public health emergency of international concern and promised to work with South Sudan government is combating the outbreak. Pox is an infectious disease that can cause a painful rash, enlarged limb nodes, fever, headache, muscle ache, back pain, and low energy. It is said to spread from person to person mainly through close contact with someone who has pox, including members of a house. South Sudan has been on high alert since August 2024 when the new strain was recorded among some of its neighboring, including Kenya, Uganda, DRC, and Central Africa Republic. Wajui mejana jui mbejbeja long mishal ka pox kia gonya na me adiyan chunen chataran chaka 12 ano and jui ma point de jui mbejbej ko ngai kone gwano jwad yala kap kana la kana bisam wer kite gwad bekatin ana kwala kujin wa mutuwa ka piu ke to ko ngudu no shi appear jen point chimnen yana mo la 12 point du la piu dabba mi ci gradien jikana nyot ga dobran chalat ka je wadi radien da cap so jen dana chalat ajan de gorde nywa ye kel lerme an biata mal bye bye